Can you see the bubble? Again, this is for Europe. And they're doing the same thing, only worse. They had bonds that were negative. We're seeing this producer price index. Other interest rates are 4, 5, 6% just on government bonds. What do you suppose that does to a bond portfolio? You start raising interest rates on a negative interest rate portfolio, you lose tons and tons of money. I've heard that some of the pension funds in the UK have lost 60, 70, 80% of their value. And these are pension funds that people depend on. Let me go to my next slide and let's just talk about that. So let's just ponder this for a second. What do you suppose it is? And if I've got other slides too showing that the California harbors, at Long Beach, that the container ships going out are down. And here's a little surprise for you. Container ships coming in are way down too. So there is no manufacturing. Why do you suppose these trucking companies that have been around for a century are in trouble? Because there's no freight, there's no business going on.